What's up guys, it's Justin here, and today I've got a Touch ID demo slash tutorial on how to set it up on the iPhone 5S. To be honest, before it actually was announced, and even when Apple unveiled it to us, I wasn't really a huge fan of the fingerprint sensor, and I didn't really think it would be useful to the point that it was actually practical. We haven't really seen any other large companies take a stab at adding that to their home button, so I was actually very curious when the iPhone 5S came out to see how the Touch ID sensor really worked. So let's go through the setup process. Currently, Apple only allows it to be used for unlocking your phone and making purchases through the iTunes and App Store. They have not given access to developers, and they want to make it so that it is very safe for the user, that their fingerprint doesn't get obtained by third parties, for example. So let's just go ahead and set this up. All you got to do is keep pressing it in different angles. The overall setup is very fast, and you can set up 5 different fingerprints if you want to have it on your index finger, your thumbs, and also one additional finger, or if you just want to have access to multiple different people. And if it doesn't work, sometimes you can also use the passcode and go back to that as well. But from my experience, it actually works very well, and it is probably one of my favorite features of the iPhone 5S right now. So now it's time to show you guys how to make a purchase on the App Store using the Touch ID sensor here. So in theory, it actually replaces your passcode, and instead of having you memorizing a passcode stored inside your mind, you have your passcode with you at all times. You just need to put your thumb on the home button, and the readers underneath the home button will actually read it, and the ring actually apparently activates the Touch ID sensor. It actually adds a nice design touch to it if you've seen the gold and silver iPhone 5S. But other than that, there really isn't much to say to it, and we're not really sure if Apple's gonna allow developers to have access to the Touch ID sensor and possibly take advantage of that. We're not really sure of that yet, but right now I do find it very useful and much faster than entering a passcode. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.